안녕하세요. Hello K-friends, welcome back to my channel. I am Eun-Suk Chung. Hope everything's going well. Processed meat such as sausage, hot dog, ham, and cured bacon has been very popular in many countries around the world. Korean cuisine has also adapted the processed meat as a major ingredient. So I'm going to introduce one of the popular cuisines with the processed meat. It's called stir-fried sausage with vegetables. Combination of sausage and variety of vegetables. You might have a bit negative image on the processed meat because of some artificial food additives. Although sausage is the main ingredient, this cuisine will have a more portion of vegetables. In addition, I will give you an experience-based tip how to deal with artificial food additives. Anyhow, you would like to cook it. Let's get started. Please make sure to press the subscription and turn on post notification button for more delicious Korean recipe. Your likes and comments really give me a lot of strength. Thank you. Step 1. Prepare ingredients. Cut the sausage surface back and forth about 3 times. If you cut the sausage, it looks pretty when you cook it. And when you add a seasoning and stir fry, the taste will become good and delicious. I will chop the vegetables. I will cut the yellow bell pepper. I will use only half. Remove the seeds inside. Cut them into bite-sized pieces. Vegetables that I don't often eat seem to be easier to eat if I stir-fry them with the sausage. I will also chop the green bell pepper. Likewise, cut them into bite-sized pieces. Cut the red bell pepper in the same size. Cut the onion into appropriate size. The vegetables are ready for the sausage stir fry. Blanch the sausage in boiling water for about 1 minute. Why? Blanching is good because the sausage's oil and artificial additives can be removed. Step 2. Making the sauce. Add 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. Add 2 tablespoons of honey. If you don't have honey, add 2 tablespoons of sugar. Add 4 tablespoons of ketchup. Add 1 teaspoon of red pepper paste to add a Korean flavor. If you don't have a red pepper paste, you can skip it. Add 3 tablespoons of water. Finally, add half a teaspoon of ginger. Mix well. Very delicious sauce is ready. Step 3. Stir-fry the ingredients. In a pan that has been preheated over medium-high, add 1 tablespoon of cooking oil. Then add a garlic, stir-fry it. If you add a garlic to the sausage, stir-fry, the garlic lets the dish smell and taste good. When the garlic is cooked, add the onion. When the onion is cooked to some extent, add the chopped bell peppers and stir-fry it. Wow, the color is so pretty. You can eat the bell peppers raw, so there is no need to cook for long. Just stir-fry them for about 1 minute. If it is fried too long, excess water may come out of the vegetables. And sprinkle a little salt. Stir-frying vegetables with the salt can preserve the color and make the dish more vivid. Place roasted vegetables in a plate. Step 4. Making stir-fried sausage with vegetables. Boil the prepared seasoning over high heat. Then add the sausage. And also add the fried vegetables. If you add the vegetables when the sauce starts to boil, the ketchup sour taste will simmer down and the flavor of sauce will be enhanced. Do not reduce the heat, just cook it over high heat. This way the shine is maintained. Let me put it in a bowl. If you have sesame seeds, sprinkle a little bit. Very tasty stir-fried sausage and vegetables is done. Looks so pretty. Let me have a bite. It tastes so good. Let me have a bell pepper. So crunchy. Hope you try this easy, simple, and delicious dish this weekend. So good. How was cooking stir-fried sausage with vegetables? Stir-fried sausage with vegetables can serve as a side dish on your dinner. Particularly, kids like to eat it. When you need to bring any dish to potluck dinner, stir-fried sausage with vegetables will work for you. Hope you enjoyed my episode today. To visitors and viewers, if you like my program today, please push the like and subscription button. To all, if you have any questions, suggestions, and comments, please leave them down below the video. This is all for today. I will be back with a better episode next week. Until then, stay well and be happy. 감사합니다. 안녕히 계세요. Bye bye.